In this video, we will learn about logging in Python. Python provides a module, logging, that allows logging events and messages from a running program. Logs can be saved to a specific log files, typically with timestamp. Logging can be done at different levels, from the basic info to the verbose debug. Custom loggers can also be written, which can perform logging to various outputs. Let's see an example of simple logging in Python. First, I need to import logging. Then I will use logging function warning. This is my warning. And this will be printed on the console. And when we try to print logging dot info hello world, this will not print because by default logging is configured at the warning level. We will change that, but now we will run. For now, we will run and check our program. Over here, log example, log sample dot py. We'll save it as, and then I will go to my terminal. Just need to minimize it. On my terminal, I will open another terminal window, and over here, Python log example .py. There's a single quote missing, so I need to go back to editing. Here, save it and run it again. Yep, we got this warning. This is my warning. So that info was not printed. We are going to change the log level and try to print from info to. Need to go back to our code. Our editor is. Now we'll just comment this. And because our focus is to print now info, and before that we need to do logging dot basic config, and here we are going to add our logging to file name. I will name it info.log, and then level equals to logging dot debug. Now our this should work and print it to our file info.log. Just save it and run it again. Where is our terminal? Back to our terminal. This one. And here, run our program again. And I will list the content of directory. There should be a log file, info. I will open in an editor, info.log. Oh, that is log. I missed the G. Okay. log file open here. We don't need this one. This was error. You can see it printed hello world over there in our file. So this way we can log into file 2 and change our log level. We can also add timestamp to the log file. We need to configure the logging format. This can be done. Let's go to our code. Now we're here. Just gonna change a few things. Logging dot basic config and set the format equals to person as before that ASC time and then S and then space and person sign and then our message then S then go there. I will remove this and combine into one over here, and then we need we're done for timing. Now file name, our file name over here, and over here I will do info.log, info.log, and then we are going to set the level that will be debug logging debug level, and it will be logging dot debug, the same way we did before, but we added our timestamps too. So is there something missing or everything is fine? No. Okay, just save it and try to run it again on our terminal. On our terminal, need to run the program Python log samples.py. There's a mistake. Need to fix that in code. Yep, here. File name. File name equals. And now should work. Save it and run it again. Now it didn't show any error to us. Let's list it again and open this file. Instead of opening this file, our info.log in editor, I will just view the content of it by using cat command on Linux. Info.log. Here you can see it also added the timestamp with our message. To keep on learning more programming and skills, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.